How to recover a deleted song in Suno AI. So if you want to recover a deleted song in Suno AI, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to search for Suno AI and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now here, once you've logged in, you need to go with the left side, which has that library section. Just click on it, and you will see all the songs that you have generated in here. And then find the icon, which is the trash icon. Like for example, I have the song right here. So if you want to delete this, then you can just simply go with the three dots and then you'll have moved to trash, or you may have a trash icon. So if you've deleted any songs, then it will be moved to trash. So if you've deleted any song, then it will be moved to trash. So in order to go to your trash or find your trash, you need to go with the top right, which has that bin icon. You need to click on it and it will take you to the trash section. From trash, you will have all of the songs that you've generated. Now you can just simply go with the recover button, which is right here. Click on it and it will be recovered. As you can see that it says it has been restored to your library. Now as you can see that if I go with my library, then I've restored. That's how you can restore or recover a deleted song in Suno AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.